Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Oscar. Today, you're buying the famous Coral Electric Showerhead Tankless hot water heater. It is perfect for poolside hot shower rinse-offs. Also great for cabins where you don't really need a hot water heater plus all the extra piping. These showerheads are used in 80% of all households in Brazil, and they work great. They operate on 110 volts and 220 volts. You only need to connect it to the nearest 110 volt or 220 volt outlet, and make sure the circuit has a 30 amp breaker. You will never run out of hot water. Everyone gets a hot shower. It works great even with 2 psi. Water pressure up to 150 psi. The head size is about 3 inches. The unit works with either plastic or metal piping. Our product works like this. The water will come into the shower head and will fill up that cavity. Then the diaphragm will go up where it will make contact, and then the unit will start working. It will pretty much work like this. The elements we require to properly install the unit are a 14-inch nipple, a 30 amp breaker, and a shower. To install it, you need to remove the old shower head. You will take it off the wall. Then you will take the shower head, the new one, and then you will install the 14-inch nipple like this. And then it will go onto the wall like this. And it will pretty much look like this. It is important to run water through the shower head before connecting the electricity. This will fill the water cavity where the resistance is lodged and prevent it from seizing. You need to make sure you have a 30 amp breaker to your existing breaker box and run wires to the shower head unit. Connect the power wires to the shower head unit. No polarity is required. Turn off the breaker. The unit's ready for use. Just open the fixture and hot water will instantly come out. You can decrease temperature by increasing water flow. The specifications. Voltage 110 volts. It will consume up to 3000 watts. 25 amps. Water pressure will be in between 1.5 psi and 150 psi. Input pipe, half-inch male and standard pipe thread. Okay. Preparation for the electric installation. Use a single pole breaker. Disconnect the breaker in the circuit, which in the shower head will be installed before initiating the installation. Plumbing. Open the pipe and let it run enough cold water to remove any sedimentation from the pipe. The minimum water pressure supplied to the shower shall be 1.5 psi. This corresponds to about 1 meter, 3.3 feet of column of water as diagrammed in figure 3. If using a water tank, you can work directly from the diagram observing the water column heights. If the plumbing does not have a half-inch thread, use an adapter. The height of the water tank must be at least 1 meter above the shower head. In cases of low water pressure, 1.5 psi to 10 psi, the flow restrictor should be removed. Our unit does have a flow restrictor which will come here. This is the flow restrictor. If you're planning to install this unit in a farm where water is being fed from a tank above the house, you may want to take this restrictor off. Ground instructions. Okay. The pigtail wire. You need to connect this ground wire of the product to home's grounding system. Do not use the neutral wire as a ground. As in all electrical devices, proper grounding system ensures safety. The system should be installed by a qualified professional. If you're going to use this unit as an in-light heater, by removing the bottom part of the shower head and running a line to the shower outlet, make sure the unit is installed above where the water comes out, and the open-close fixture is installed before the water inlet of the unit. You can also remove the shower head and use a telephone shower head. Where you will be able to shower any part of your body. Now we're going to speak about concealed installation. You can remove the shower head and install this unit in a hidden place and then run a line to the existing shower outlet.